Motivation doesn't lead to action. Instead, action leads to motivation. If you're waiting to feel motivated to start a project, you're wasting your time. Studies show that people who take action first eventually feel motivated after they get started. That book you want to write? It begins by you taking action. That marathon you want to run? It begins by you taking action. Remember, motivation doesn't lead to action. Instead, action leads to motivation. If you like what you saw here today, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. To download my 53-page guidebook called The Unspoken Rules of Leadership, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to click here for more videos like this one. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and a speaker, and I'll catch you next time.